Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of My Bucket List Day. So today we are going to see something unique. We are going to see a rig that is a Hercules of all fifth wheels. This thing can haul heavy payloads in its garage, and it's set up to be so versatile that if you want to change the floor plan on the fly, you can do that. You can say, you know what, I'm tired of having the couch over here, I think I want to move it over there. Or I'm tired of having this over here and I want to move it over there, such as the dinette area, things like that. That's what makes this RV so unique. The complete versatility and heavy duty of not only how it's constructed, but what it can haul. So let's get right into what that is right after this intro. Okay, before we get into this new incredible rig, I do want to talk about a couple updates. First off, on the frame issue that I've been having up in the front, the upper deck or platform area, just got to bring you up to date on what's happening there. I've reached out to Grand Design, as you guys know. They have finally responded to me, and they basically asked me a whole bunch of questions about basically, have I modified anything or changed anything? What type of truck am I using to pull it? What kind of hitch? Do I have airbags or not? All those kinds of things. They're even asking me some questions that seem odd. And I apologize if this is getting a little windy, but I'm getting the sense that they're trying to they could be just gathering information, but it almost sounds like they're trying to blame it on something else and not take responsibility. Now, I did talk to Lippert, and Lippert did outline that, you know, they built the frames, but they build them to the manufacturer's specifications. Lippert has opened up a ticket on this and are waiting for Grand Design to respond to them on what the next steps are going to be. They have also told me that the measurements I did are not accurate because they want me to be on concrete, a hard level surface, before I measure. Okay, I can buy that a little bit. So I'm at a currently location where I'm actually on a big concrete pad, perfectly level, and I'm going to go ahead and do those measurements again. I'll show that to you in another video. But those are the updates. I'm still working on that issue. Again, I don't know if it's broken or if it's bent or something else, but as you know, we've been destroying slide outs and it has been a nightmare. So hopefully we'll get to the bottom of that. So enough about that. Let's get right into what this cool RV, the fifth wheel, is by ATC. Check it out. I'd like to show you an RV, a fifth wheel, that I saw at the show that didn't get a lot of coverage, but I think is very, very unique, especially for you adventurers out there. If you like to have something that's incredibly versatile and allows you to make changes on your layout, your floor plan, gives you the versatility of lots of things in a garage, this might be the RV for you. Reasonably priced, but this is like the Hercules of fifth wheels. It's strong. Well, you'll see. Take a look at this and we'll be right back. All right, everybody. I'm in the ATC booth, where they're commonly known as people who make stacker trailers and little car haulers and things like that, and also some little weekend trailers for racers, you know, bike racers or things like that. But let me show you what they have. Something very unique here. They now are making a fifth wheel, and it's pretty impressive. If you want some flexibility and versatility, let me show you about it. So I'm standing right now what is normally on a fifth wheel toy hauler on the patio, but you'll notice it's all closed in. And they call it a 3-season closed-in option, but it also comes with a solid roof. So what happens is this roof folds down, and then the floor, or the ramp, folds up and it closes it all in. But you got a nice solid, obviously waterproof roof. You've got the Happy Jack system in here as well. So you've got that in a very large garage. So what makes ATC unique is their interior. You'll notice the furniture is kind of configurable. You can kind of move it around all you want. What it has is this slide system, or this rack system along the wall. So you can hang things everywhere. Tables, chairs, couches, things like that. Extra beds. So if you need a lot of versatility, this gives you that option. Now there is a small little slide here, kitchen slide. It's got the refrigerator in and some cabinets. But you'll also notice all these cabinets, they're solid aluminum. Heavy duty aluminum, like you'd see in a race trailer or something like that you see at a racetrack. So this may not be the decor for everybody, but if you want something heavy duty, very versatile, this could be your answer. Can kind of configure it any way you want, and order it how you'd like. But I thought it was a very unique option. Also, we got a very large loft up there for another group of people sleeping. And as in the back, we got two queens, one in the upper, one lower. And then let me show you the bathroom, which is kind of nice. Got an aluminum door. And a smaller shower. Decent size, it's standard commode. And then again, it's got the aluminum cabinets. Well, that one didn't want to close. Got to give it a bang. Here's the master bedroom. Closet goes all the way through to the back. Full king size bed. Again, a slide out on this. And a little desk here in the bedroom. And more cabinetry there. Again, all aluminum cabinetry. So now let me take you outside to see the outside of this. So here are the capacities of everything. So fresh water is 200 gallons. That's impressive. Gray water is 90 gallons, 45 for the black. Water heater is 10 gallons, and gas holds 72 gallons. And I'll show you where the fuel tank is and filler. So very large capacities. This is basically 45 feet. It's 44.9, and the height is 13.5. So it's a full-size fifth wheel. Very large. So there's 4 models to choose from, or floor plans, I should say. The GVRW here is 21,000 pounds, so it's got triple 7,000 pound axles. And it is equipped with 400 watts of solar and comes standard with 2 lithium batteries. And then here's the fuel fill up, again 72 gallons on that. Then around front we've got your LP tanks, 2 30-gallon tanks, and a 7,000 watt generator. Now the frame is all aluminum, makes it lightweight, very much like their stacker trailers you see over here. But the siding's all aluminum as well, and it's bonded, glued and bonded and sealed, and very, very sleek design. So very impressive unit. So if you want that flexibility and versatility to move things around, this might be an option for you. And here's the back with the 3-season patio. So there you have it. That's ATC's new fifth wheel. It's called the PLA 700 series. And I think the model number, let me look what that is. The model number is 4528. That's the one we just walked through. So kind of unique and impressive for what you can do. The versatility is endless with these types of fifth wheels. So what'd you guys think of this rig? I was pretty impressed with it. I really love the versatility of it. And if you guys you go to the track, or if you're motorcycle riders, dirt bike riders, things of that nature, and you're just taking big road trips and doing something for a couple weeks or a month or a weekend, this could be a rig for you. Now they make them in all different sizes, but this one is their Mac Daddy does everything kind of rig. I love the durability, the versatility, and the look. I mean, it looks like their stacker trailer, but on steroids, if you will. Very impressive what they did with this. So not for everybody, but definitely for those adventurers out there that wants that versatility, and also a little bit of the creature comforts that you get in a nice RV. So a little best of both worlds. So as you can see, this is an incredible RV. It is not like all the other fifth wheels out there. It is very unique. Now, it's not for everybody, as I already mentioned, but if you want that versatility, and most importantly, if you want to be able to have that payload capacity, I mean, they put a Jeep in it, for God's sake. How incredible is that? So it can haul a lot. It is versatile. Again, it's not for everybody. It doesn't have all the creature comforts and all of the real nice home style like design in there. So again, it's not for everybody, but if you're an adventure seeker, or you go out in motorcycles or dirt bike riding, or even the four-wheelers that you go out there and you don't care if it gets a little dirty and you're just out having fun, this could be a great, fantastic RV fifth wheeler for you. All right, before we go, I want to remind you all, I want to hear about your bucket list. Go ahead and go to this form right here. Click this QR code and go to this form and tell me what's on your bucket list. I may just select you and we'll go do that bucket list. And as always, don't forget to leave comments. I really like to hear from you guys. And hit that like, subscribe, and ring that little bell to let you know when I'm releasing another video. So that's it. It's kind of a short video today, but an incredible, incredible RV we reviewed with ATC. And we appreciate you tuning in. Thanks, and make it a great bucket list day. Bye.